And when it comes to COVID, Tillamook County has been especially hard hit late this summer. Jennifer Dowling going beyond the headlines tonight. I know, Jennifer, you talked to folks in Tillamook County about everything from COVID response to vaccines.
We talked to several people in the county who said that they had caught the virus. Some said it only took a couple days to get over it, while others said it took more than 2 weeks. We talked to one man who said he had fluid building up in his lungs and he found it incredibly hard to breathe.
I was sick for about 17 days.
In Tillamook County, the hospitals and clinics started to see a larger uptick in COVID-19 cases in August. This commercial crabber didn't want to appear fully on camera, but told us he was one of those caught up in the summer wave.
14 days of that was pretty good. About half my lung capacity for the most part. My oxygen rate never dropped below 95 though. Just difficulty breathing.
He says he knows others who also got sick.
My family members all ended up getting sick, or two of them were fully vaccinated.
He believes if he were not as young and healthy, things might have turned out differently.
The biggest aspect was the fluid buildup and getting that pneumonia and going from horizontal to vertical in the days. That was the worst portion of it.
During this week's county commissioners meeting, a spokesperson with Tillamook County Community Health Centers says they've seen an increase in severity over the past couple months. Numbers show 23 COVID-19 related deaths have been confirmed in the county. 17 were people who were not vaccinated. 3 had no vaccine record and 1 was fully vaccinated. The other 2 deaths were over the past week, and it's unclear what their vaccine status was.
August hit with the Delta variant, and that's when we really got hit.
County health officials went on to say that the county death toll was at 5 deaths up until July, and since August has now gone up to 23, with around 15 fatalities in a 25-day period, quadrupling the pandemic total of COVID-related deaths in just 4 weeks.
We don't feel that mandates are the way to solve this problem, but we are encouraging people very strongly as their best protection against COVID-19 is to become vaccinated.
The crabber says he still has to go in for a follow-up x-ray to see if he has scar tissue in his lungs.
My crew members I know probably 75 people at this point in time that have had it, and I think personally of people I know, 2 have been hospitalized.
After his experience with the virus, he believes it's only a matter of time before everyone is exposed.
Herd immunity, whatever you want to call it, everyone's going to get it. And so that's the whole deal is my take on now, whether you're vaccinated or not, you're going to get it. At some point in time, you're going to test positive for it.
As for how the hospital is handling the situation, John Hay, a communication manager for Adventist Health Tillamook, says in Tillamook County, we're seeing a decline in numbers related to COVID testing and treatment in our facility. They have prompted us to reopen elective surgery this coming Monday, September 20th. County health officials say as far as tracking cases, they are looking into 22 outbreaks. 12 have been confirmed and 10 are still pending. Reporting from Tillamook, Jennifer Dowling, KOIN 6 News.